Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I was just leading Isha Salat, alhamdulillah, and I had a bit of a breakthrough in some thoughts, and I thought I should share it. So recently in the scientific discovery world, they had done some unique things on the AI forefront. What they did in Australia, one scientist, he put some brain cells onto computer chips and basically made the brain cells play a certain game. I think the game is called Pong, and they were able to make the brain cells play these games, and the brain cells learned it faster than AI, where the time difference was 5 minutes to 90 minutes. So, and how they did that, one part of it was that if the brain cells were not learning the game, they would make the brain cells listen to unpleasant sounds. And if the brain cells were doing the right thing, then they will hear a very pleasant sound. So I heard that a little while ago, but today when I was reading Surah Ghashiyah, Surah number 88, verse number 11, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم في جنة عالية لا تسمع فيها لاغية, in the high lofty jannats in which they will not hear anything of vain. So it was a very like a eureka moment where I realized, subhanallah, the human mind is very opposed to vain talk and vain sounds. So we should try our best to live a life where we don't bring drama and unnecessary fights and arguments into our homes, our life, and our online life. We shouldn't be trolling people and causing unnecessary strife on social media and so on, so as to bring more peace into our lives. And it's so beautiful how even when we finish our salat, we say Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. So may Allah bring peace into our lives, our worldly and our hereafter lives. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen wa sallallahu ala nabiyil ummiyya. And lastly, I wanted to mention one more thing. That was, we never reverse the order of scientific studies with Islamic texts. So we don't say the Quran ayat says this, and this study proves it. That would be the scientific study validating what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said. That is completely abhorred, because what we're trying to say or imply is that this verse is not verified until this silly study, which can be changed any time, because scientific studies are always changing, that this study proves the ayat. So that's very problematic for a person's iman. So how we presented in this video was, we present the scientific study and then we say it could be corroborated by this ayat also. So the ayat becomes a deciding factor, not the study. May Allah give us tawfiq to understand our deen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillah.